Let's look at outsourced inspection and repair services. When your outside service provider is doing the inspection program for you, they will visually inspect all the wheels, rims, and components for defects. They will metal stamp and serialize all the wheels and track them in a database. They will document the inspection, issue a report to the customer of their findings. Then upon approval from the customer, they will repair or replace wheels, rims, and components as required. They will certify and re-warranty the wheels. They can also train your maintenance shop personnel on doing preliminary inspections so they can identify wheels and components that need more extensive inspection. So if you elect to use a qualified service provider to do your wheel inspection, repair, and recertification work, what can you expect? First, incoming wheels and rims are given preliminary visual inspections. Wheels and rims are assigned a unique repair number associated with the customer and recorded in a log or database. The unique repair number is metal stamped on the rim or wheelbase. This repair number allows the service provider to track all the work they will have ever done to the wheel. Should the wheel ever be returned to the service provider, they can immediately identify the wheel and look it up in their history file to see its past repair and inspection history. Next, detailed inspection and NDE testing is done. Findings are documented on a repair form. A repair price is determined and submitted to the customer for formal approval before any further work begins. Once approved for repair, a work order is prepared for the repair work and recertification can begin. If inspection determines that there are multiple defects and the repair is not appropriate, this wheel is deemed to be scrap. The replacement cost and part number are communicated to the customer. Upon customer approval, a new wheel will be pulled from existing inventory if available. A new wheel will be purchased or custom built. Upon customer disapproval, the wheel will be returned to the customer with a cost for the service work performed thus far. It will metal stamp an ID number on a wheel or rim in the same place to facilitate tracking and identification for the customer and future identification again by the service provider. One such recertification program was originally developed jointly with one of the largest mines in North America. The program was developed to meet the needs of the customer and to satisfy new regulatory requirements. What evolved is a unique and effective recertification program that identifies defective wheels, allows them to be repaired or replaced, thus eliminating potential from damaged, defective, or old wheels from failing and causing potential injuries or worse. Safety was improved. The program is so effective that it is recommended by the Ontario Ministry of Labour. You will be able to learn more about this program a bit later by contacting the person that sent you this video presentation. An independent study by the University of Windsor in Canada recently endorsed the use of the go, no-go gauges we use and recommended that they should be used in an effective maintenance program. It is recommended that you recertify all your wheels on an annual basis. You can also do so after a specific number of hours of operation. Another good time to recertify your wheels is prior to doing any major repairs or equipment rebuilds. You should definitely recertify your wheels if you see any sort of visual damage on them to ensure the wheels are even safe to operate.